Hello guys, welcome to SimTech Hub. In today's video, I want to show you guys how to create a Telegram mini app for your website, or how to convert your website to a Telegram mini app. So without wasting my time, let me go to my Telegram account to show you guys how this is done and how you can also do same and create a Telegram mini app for your website. Okay, so let me open my Telegram account. This is my Telegram account, and the first thing we need to do is to go to the search button and search for Botfather. So I will search for Botfather. Okay, you see this Botfather with a verified badge. The rest of the Botfather are scam, not the real one. Okay, the real Botfather has a verified badge. Okay, so you click on the Botfather, you can see it has a verified badge. Yes, this is what we are going to use to create the mini app, the Telegram mini app for our website. And you can also use this bot to create any Telegram mini app you want. Okay, so first you need to click on this start button. Okay, we'll click on this start, and this pop-up will appear. So we have a lot of commands to perform and a lot of functions. Okay, and the first thing we have to do is to click on this new bot. You can see a command over here. Okay, so with this, they say they can help you to create and manage your Telegram bot, and if you're new to this bot API, you can read the manual. Okay, but since I'm guiding you, you need to follow what I am saying. Okay, so you click on this new bot to create a new bot. Okay, so let's click on this new bot button. Okay, so we just click the new bot, and they said, all right, it's a new bot. How are we going to call it? Okay, please choose a name for your bot. Okay, so the Telegram mini app that you want to create, you need to set a name for it. Okay, so let's just get a new name for I'll call it apple.com. That's the name of the bot I want to create. Okay, I'm just using this as an example, as a tutorial to guide you on how to create the Telegram mini app for your website, or how to convert your website to a Telegram mini app. So I will send the name. Okay, this is the name, the apple.com that I want to use. Okay, so they say good. Okay, now let's choose a username for your bot. It must end in bot like this. They've given us an example. Okay, so let's just create a username for the bot. Let me type apple underscore dot underscore com underscore bot. Okay, let me use this is a weird name, but let me use it. This is an example. Okay, so they say done, congratulations on your new bot. Okay, you can find your new bot at this URL, Telegram URL. When you click on it, your bot will appear. Okay, so you can now add description and sections and profile picture to your bot. So we are now finally done creating the bot. So now let me show you guys how to convert your website to this bot. Okay, so what we have to do now is to scroll down to the commands over here. Okay, you see this commands. Yeah, then we click on this my bot. Okay, click on this my bot, and this is the bot we created. Okay, so we will click on this apple.com bot. Okay, this is the bot we created. Okay, so I'll click on it and this will appear. So we click on the bot settings. Okay, we click on this bot settings. Okay, and this will also appear again. So we will click on this menu button. Okay, then we click on configure menu button, because we need to customize the menu button, okay, for our bot. So we click on this configure menu button, and we need to add a URL. So this is send me the URL that will open by tapping the menu button. Okay, so we will enter our URL over here. So since I'm just using the apple.com, but let me go to my browser to get the apple. This is the apple URL. Okay, I'll copy the apple URL and I'll come back to my bot, then I'll paste it there and send. Okay, so they say send me the title to be displayed on the button inside of the menu. Okay, so we are creating a button. Okay, let me type open. Okay, so that it will be used as the name for the button. So let me send it. Okay, and success, menu settings updated. Okay, so let's test our bot to see if it really works. Okay, let me click on back to bot. Okay, and click on this. Okay, this is our bot, so I'll click on this username over here, and you can see I just created the bot, the apple.com bot. Okay, so let me click on start to see if it's working. Okay, I just click on the start button. Let me click on open this button that we just created. Let me click on open to see if the bot is working, if it will open this Apple website. Okay, let me click on that. Okay, and let me click on launch to launch the mini bot. And as you can see, the mini bot is working perfectly. You can see everything is working perfectly, and we have created a mini bot for Apple website. Okay, so if this video helped you to convert your website to a mini bot or create a mini bot for your website, then please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.